Hello everyone and welcome back to CLGTart channel. So today this video gonna be another small tutorial for you guys that about a new update of Medibang Paint Pro, and I just realized that just a few minutes ago is really extremely useful for you guys if you use Medibang Paint Pro for drawing comics and manga. Okay, so what is that? That is about the speed line. You already know that in Medibang Paint Pro you can do the speed line with this material. Choose a tone around here and choose the speed line here to drag it to the paper like this one, and then move them around to the right position that you want. Zoom in, zoom out like this, then click OK, right? But it is just like an image, so sometimes this image is not fit the speed line in your what you want, what your demand. So in Medibang you have another options that you can download the brush from Medibang Cloud around here. Click that and you will search for speed. Yeah, that's it, speed line brush here. So you can draw. Okay, download all of them and use this one. Hold Control Command to choose the point that the central point for the speed line, and they will work around like this one when you're drawing. But you know that sometimes that because you feel really bad at drawing the speed line like this, just let me do here, and I have to change and fix that a lot. And sometimes I feel like really miserable because I can't do the perfect speed line just the same as I draw on the paper. So the Medibang now have the third options for you guys. You could go to filter in here and you have the three new features that is like concentrate, like parallel, and like CLG flash. Okay, what are them? First, maybe you will have the pictures around here, and then you drag the position. You use select tool to drag to the position that you want to create a speed line, and you will see what is happening here. Choose line, concentrate here, and then ta-da! This is the speed line that you have the circle around. And with that concentrate line, it will give you a perfect speed line with changing the length random here, light width. This one, and density random, aspect ratio, whatever is a okay, like this. You will create anything you want, and you can change the middle point by move the specific center here around to the right position that you want. With this speed line here, you can create the speed bubble and create like the concentrate line to the character, like they are yelling or moving something, and want the audience to concentrate to the character here, that making some action, yeah, like this one. Just work around with this one. It's really cool, right? In case you didn't use the select, it will count as around on the paper. Here will be the place that is will put the line concentrate in here, and you will have the result like this. And if you can do this one, you can make it become a burst, and you can do like this, add brush from the canvas and create a new brush, and you can use this work at the brush and put in the panel that you want. Okay, it's really useful, right? For another things that is the line here, line parallel, I really like this one. The line parallel here is the thing that I waiting for years, and I wait for Medibang to create this one. But the parallel like this, you can change the direction of the parallel by simply moving around a specific direction like this one, and move the length here to create the length for the speed line. And you can create the length random, the light width, the density like this one, density random, whatever in here, and update randomness, yeah, and then click OK. With this one, if you had a character in here and you want to make them feel like miserable things, and go here, filter, line parallel in here, and change the direction around this part. Okay, I want to create something like this one. Really quick, right? and then okay. You see that it will, and when you okay this, it will just leave the part that around the select area. It will automatically erase all the things that you not in the selection area. Yeah, really cool. And in case that you can do the same like I did with the concentrate line, that you can do for the whole image in here, like this one without the selection, and with this one you can create the brush. Yeah, a brush from canvas, and you will have the brush to tap to the parallel to the panel that you want. Okay, I'm kind of too excited with this one. And the final things that I really like in this one, that's the light sea urchin flash. Yeah, this one, the sea urchin flash here is really useful for me. Yeah, you know that with the sea urchin flash in here, you can mix and change a lot of things around here, and you can see that I can create like the effect that something, a bomb, that explosion. Yeah, kind of like this one. And with this one you can change a little bit with the fade in out pose here. You can create a big bubble, and maybe with this one here you can create something that feel really creepy. Whatever, you can use your imagination and use this one, the setting of the sea urchin flash in here to create the things that you think is fit for your manga and comic effect. And yeah, it's really cool. Great job, Medibang, and I hope you like those things too, like me. Yeah, I'm too excited right now. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.